it's Andy. We're here in Asheville, North Carolina at the Wheels for Meals car show for the Manna Food Bank. It is a week until Christmas Eve, and we have a beautiful, brisk day. It's in the 40s and bright blue sky. So I'm here with my daughter, India, and we're gonna walk around and see what we can find. See y'all. All right, guys. 69 Mach 1 Mustang. One of my all-time favorites. Cobra Jet, 428. Yeah, sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's all still.
That is just gorgeous. 1969 Z28 Camaro. Big block. Say big block. Good grief.
It's close to the Mons, but it's not the Mons. Believe it or not, it's close.
4-speed. Dang. There's 64 Impala. 409. $3,600 new. Wow. Remember this car? It's in the Thanksgiving show. If you've not seen that video yet, check it out. I'll link it at the end of this one. We were here at an earlier show about a month ago. Lots of great vehicles, lots of Mustangs. Here's a really cool Audi race car. Awesome digital camo wrap. It's really neat. I like it. Very cool. Another racer. That's a 300Z. So correction, it's not a 300Z, it's a 350Z, which says Nissan nowhere on it. Looks fast. Very fast. I absolutely love these trucks. Very nice. May tell me what year this is? Huh? Do you know? I'll go ahead and tell you it's a 66. 66 Chevy. Very cool. Check that out. One of my favorite Chevy body styles. It's a 55. Two-tone. Cool interior. Got some crazy wheels going on. Alright guys, 1970 El Camino. This pretty slick. That's some turbo right there. We got a Toyota about to leave. Ford GT. Hey, hope y'all are enjoying this video. Hit that like button if you are, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Torino GT. It says 351 on it. Sounds about right. '69 model. And there goes the Toyota. This car from Thanksgiving. Mean Mustang. Very nice. Couple of lovely pickups here. It's a 41 Ford. Dang. That's a tunnel. That's a 53 Ford. Very cool. $496. That's a lot of money. $496. Nova. I would have to fly. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, hey, hit that like button, and we hope you're subscribed to the channel. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll have lots more great videos for you coming soon. 71 Nova, 496. Tell me what this is. Is that a Bonneville? Yeah, Bonneville. Check out the hood here. Action going on. Sun's getting me to the other side. Very cool. You don't see one of these every day. Very cool. Slick black Z. Going on. Not sure what year this is. The 90s. Lots of variety out here today, folks. Right over here. That's nice. $1949 Ford. 49 Ford. Not your average Cadillac. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for me today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button if you liked it, and leave us a comment. We love to hear from you. See y'all soon. Later. So hey, let me know what you guys want to see more of. What do you enjoy? What do you want to see on the channel? What do you like that we're doing? What do you want to